The world is following events in Afghanistan with a heavy heart and deep disquiet about what lies ahead. I urge all parties, especially the Taliban, to exercise utmost restraint to protect lives and to ensure that humanitarian needs can be met. The international community must be united and utilize all available instruments to ensure the following. First, we must speak with one voice to uphold human rights in Afghanistan. I call upon the Taliban and all parties to respect and protect international humanitarian law and the rights and freedoms of all persons. Second, the international community must unite to make sure that Afghanistan is never again used as a platform or safe haven for terrorist organizations. Regardless of who holds power, these two fundamental principles must be upheld.